This is Piano Adventures Level 4 Technique and Artistry book. And I'll be playing Silver Rain Etude on pages 18 and 19. We're going to be exploring a wide range of dynamics, thinking about tonal colors. So really watch the dynamics and the crescendos and diminuendos so you have just a lot of shape and a lot of changing dynamics to create those colorful sounds. And of course, careful use of your damper pedal will greatly help you there. And we want to think about some of the technique secrets that you'll be using. You'll be using alignment and drop and follow through these 16th note runs. Keep the hand poised high over the keys so your fingers can work quickly, and that you can also, have that nice soft beginning, and then keep the weight of your hand just really moving along with the motion of the notes. On the broken 5/7 chords here, you'll want to drop into the first left hand note, especially on each of those, and then just follow through into the right hand. More alignment, and then here when we get to the back and forth on the 6th, you'll want to use good rotation. So just a nice, quick, small rotation of the wrist and arm there will really help you get those fast and played evenly between the hands. And then here in the broken inverted D minor chords, more of that alignment and just little small slur gestures. And then watch for that 1 octave arpeggio at the end. Use that nice little wrist circle motion. And then some nice deep wrist bows for the chords. Take your time at the end. All right, let's play through this. This is a really gorgeous and dramatic piece. I really hope you enjoy learning this as much as I did.